Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our class. In today's class, we are going to learn about the story Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Basically, this is a dialogue between Aladdin and the magician. Let's look into the characters of the story. First, Aladdin, the main character. Next, magician, the second main character, and the third one is narrator. Narrator is a person who tells what happened in the story. Let's start. Narrator. Narrator is telling us what is happening in the story. The magician took Aladdin to a lonely place outside the city. जादूगर जो था वो अलादीन को लेकर गया एक खाली जगह पर शहर से बाहर. He told him to light a fire. While Aladdin was doing so, he said some magic words and a cave opened before them. जादूगर ने अलादीन से कहा कि वो एक लकड़ी पर आग जलाए. अलादीन जब ये कर रहा था तो जादूगर ने कुछ मैजिक वर्ड्स बोले जिसकी वजह से एक गार जो था, केव को हम उर्दू में कहते हैं गार उनके सामने जो वो खुल गया. मैजिशियन इन अ कमांडिंग वॉइस. कमांड का मतलब होता है ऑर्डर देना. अलादीन टेक दिस रिंग. अलादीन इस अंगूठी को पकड़ो. लिफ्ट द स्टोन अबव द केव. और गार के सामने से पत्थर को हटाओ. नाउ इट्स अलादीन टर्न. व्हाइल लिफ्टिंग द स्टोन अलादीन सेड इट्स वेरी डार्क बिलो. नीचे बहुत अंधेरा है. आई वॉन्ट गो डाउन. मैं नीचे नहीं जाऊँगा. मैजिशियन गो डाउन एट वंस. एक दफ़ा जाओ. यू विल फाइंड अ बिग हॉल फुल ऑफ बॉक्सेस ऑफ गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. तुम्हें एक बड़े से हॉल में सोने और चांदी के डिब्बे मिलेंगे. डू नॉट टच एनीथिंग. किसी भी चीज़ को हाथ नहीं लगाना. ओनली ब्रिंग अ स्मॉल चिप. और वहाँ से एक छोटा सा चिराग उठा कर लाना. कैप्ट ऑन दी शेल्फ इन दी हॉल. जो कि हॉल की शेल्फ पर रखा हुआ है. यू कैन पिक सम ट्रेजर. तुम अपने लिए भी कुछ खजाना उठा सकते हो. ऑन योर वे बैक. जब तुम वापस आ रहे होगे. इफ़ यू लाइक. अगर तुम्हें पसंद है. दिस रिंग इज़ अ मैजिक रिंग. ये एक जादुई अंगूठी है. इट विल कीप यू सेफ मीन्स इट विल प्रोटेक्ट यू. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? द नरेटर इज टेलिंग अस Aladdin found everything in the cave just as the magician had described it. अलादीन को वो सब कुछ मिला जो कि जादूगर ने उसे बताया था. He found the lamp and put it in his pocket. उसे वो चिराग मिल गया और उसने उसे अपनी जेब में रख लिया. On his way back, जब वो वापस आ रहा था, he saw trees full of fruits. उसने फलों से भरे हुए दरख्त देखे. He filled his pocket with them. उसने अपनी जेब में उनको भर लिया. He didn't know that they were jewels. उसको नहीं पता था कि वो फल नहीं जेवरात हैं. It means he thought that they are fruits but they were not fruits, they were jewels. Aladdin in a shouting manner said, "Pull me up, uncle." मुझे ऊपर खींचे, uncle. Then what the magician do? Magician said, "Give me the lamp." जादूगर ने अलादीन से कहा, मुझे वो चिराग दे दो. अलादीन It is in my pocket. I will give it to you when I get out. ये चिराग मेरी जेब में है और मैं जब बाहर आऊँगा तब आपको दे दूँगा. Now the narrator is telling us what happened then. The magician became very angry. जादूगर को बहुत गुस्सा आया. He said some magic words. उसने कुछ जादुई लफ्ज़ बोले. Threw some powder. और एक पाउडर फेंका. On the stone. पत्थर के ऊपर. And closed the cave. और कार को बंद कर दिया. He then went away. और वो वहाँ से चला गया. अलादीन was trapped inside the cave. और अलादीन जो था वो गार के अंदर ही बंद हो गया. अलादीन help help shouting and crying. Now Aladdin is shouting and also crying because he was trapped in the cave by the magician. Narrator. He was frightened. वो बहुत खौफज़दा था. It was dark and cold on the cave. गार में बहुत अंधेरा और सर्दी थी. He rubbed his hands together to warm them. Rubbed का मतलब होता है रगड़ना. उसने अपने दोनों हाथों को रगड़ा. And lo, a genie appeared before him. और उसके सामने एक जिनी जाहिर हो गया. Now the genie is saying, I am the genie of the ring. मैं इस अंगूठी का जिन हूँ. What can I do for you, sir? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ साहिब. सर को उर्दू में हम कहते हैं साहिब. After seeing the genie, Aladdin was jumping and said, "Please, please get me out of here." मेहरबानी करके मुझे यहाँ से निकालो. And then what happened? He found himself before his house. और उसने अपने आप को अपने घर के सामने पाया. The genie made his wish comes true. This was the story of Aladdin and the magic lamp. Now let's do some questions from our exercise. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Aladdin was taken by a weak-old giant to a cave. False. Not. Aladdin was taken by a magician. The old man threw him into a cave. Wrong. False. Aladdin was given a ring which was a magic ring. True. Aladdin found gold and silver in the cave and filled his pocket with them. Wrong. Aladdin found gold and silver but not filled his pocket with them. Aladdin did not give the lamp to the magician because he knew it was a magic lamp. False. Aladdin did not knew that it was a magic lamp. And the last one, Aladdin was helped by the genie of the ring. It's true. The next question, find words in the word bank which mean the same as the following. This is the word bank given to us. We will use them and write them before the correct word. Alone. Alone means lonely. Wealth. Wealth means treasure. Afraid. Afraid means frightened. A spirit. A spirit means genie. A person who can perform magic tricks is called a magician. Now let's do the other question. Unjumble the following words from the lesson only. Unjumble means rearrange. First word is Aladdin. The next word is frightened. The third word is magician. And the fourth word is appeared. The fifth word is your task. Read the story and unjumble this word. Let's do the other question. Read the following words. Write the silent letters in the space given. Silent letters are the letters which are written but not read. We do not read them, just write them in the words. Let's start. Not. K. K is silent in this word. The next word, wrist. W is silent in this word. Listen. T. Wrap. W. Build. U. No. K. K is silent in no. Knee. K is also silent in knee. Honesty. H is silent in this word. This is your today's lesson. Learn it. Meet you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.